Right now, nearly every state in the nation is seeing a surge in coronavirus cases.
And despite warnings from health experts to stay home this week for Thanksgiving, millions are still traveling by plane and car. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
From coast to coast, many airports packed with travelers trying to get out for the holiday.
All the airlines seem to be doing the good precautions, so we're trying to play it safe and we'll just live our lives as well.
More than 3 million people screened at TSA checkpoints over the weekend, the most since the pandemic began, despite the CDC urging people to stay home and avoid travel. The nation's top infectious disease expert telling the Washington Post there may be consequences by the Christmas holiday.
What we're doing now is going to be reflected 2-3 weeks from now.
And right now in the U.S., the situation is dire. Since the beginning of this month, there have been more than 3 million confirmed cases, and more than 25,000 people have died, according to the COVID Tracking Project. That's about 1 American death every minute. Hospitals in Oregon at a breaking point.
The cases in this state are just going up and up and up every single day. And there doesn't seem to be an end in sight.
One doctor in Minnesota telling CNN they're not just taking care of strangers, but now also their coworkers.
It's heartbreaking. We're taking care of colleagues who we see in the halls every day and people we work with that we're now having to take care of patients. I think we're all just really, really scared of what's to come because the hospitals are already full.
Meantime, demand for testing is skyrocketing ahead of the holiday. People lining up across the country, some waiting up to 8 hours, others unable to find an available test at all. Experts warn a negative test can create a false sense of security, especially as Americans plan to gather for the holidays. They're reminding people a negative result does not guarantee you are COVID-free. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.